Welcome back to AutoBuzz TV, the place where we bring you the latest and greatest in the world of automobiles. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Today, we're talking about something truly unique, the Toyota C+pod EV, a mini electric car that is not only compact but also a glimpse into the future of urban transportation. So, let's dive right in. First off, let's talk about the design. The Toyota C+pod is all about being small, efficient, and functional. With its sleek, futuristic design, this little car might look like something out of a sci-fi movie, but it's built for the modern world. Measuring just 2.5 meters in length, the C+pod is shorter than most city cars, making it perfect for navigating tight urban streets. Whether you're squeezing into a parking spot or darting through traffic, this car makes city driving feel effortless. Inside, the C+pod is surprisingly spacious for such a tiny car. The minimalist interior is designed to keep things simple and comfortable. There's enough space for 2 passengers, and Toyota has cleverly used the available space to give you a comfortable ride despite the compact size. The dashboard features a clean layout with all the necessary controls right at your fingertips, including a large display that shows vital information like battery status and driving mode. Now, let's talk about what powers this little powerhouse. The Toyota C+pod is fully electric, so you're looking at zero emissions and a more sustainable way to get around. It comes equipped with a 9.06 kWh lithium-ion battery, giving it a range of up to 150 kilometers on a single charge. That's more than enough for most daily commutes, making it perfect for city dwellers who don't need to travel long distances. Charging the C+pod is easy, and it can be done at home using a standard outlet, or at any of the growing network of public EV charging stations. What makes the C+pod even more interesting is its low environmental impact. Toyota has designed this car to be part of their vision for a sustainable, carbon-neutral future. As cities become more congested and pollution becomes a bigger concern, the C+pod provides a solution that's not just environmentally friendly but also practical. This vehicle is ideal for short, daily trips and can significantly reduce the carbon footprint of urban transportation. The Toyota C+pod isn't just a car, it's a glimpse into the future of mobility. Its small footprint, zero emissions, and innovative design make it a fantastic option for those looking to reduce their environmental impact while still enjoying the convenience of personal transportation. Before we wrap up, let's talk about pricing. While the Toyota C+pod isn't currently available everywhere, it's primarily aimed at the Japanese market, where it's being offered through Toyota's subscription service. This makes it a flexible, cost-effective option for those who need a car for short trips without the long-term commitment of traditional vehicle ownership. Alright, folks, that's a wrap on the Toyota C+pod. It's small, efficient, and a great example of what the future of electric vehicles could look like. What do you think of this mini EV? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for tuning into AutoBuzz TV. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Catch you in the next one.